What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about InvestEngine. InvestEngine is a platform that offers commission-free ETF investing and innovative tools to help you build and manage your portfolio with ease. With low fees and expert guidance, InvestEngine empowers you to take control of your financial future and achieve your long-term goals. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Affordable investing. InvestEngine offers a commission-free investing experience, allowing users to buy and sell ETFs without incurring any additional fees. This feature is particularly attractive to those seeking to minimize costs associated with managing their portfolios, as it helps maximize returns by reducing the impact of fees on investment growth. Professional guidance. For those who prefer a more hands-off approach, InvestEngine provides managed portfolios that offer professional advice and expert investment selections. With a low cost of 0.25% per annum, the Managed Portfolio service is a competitive robo-investing product, making professional investment management accessible to a wide range of investors. Disciplined investing. InvestEngine encourages disciplined and systematic investing through its savings plans and auto-invest features. Users can set up regular investments at their chosen intervals, ensuring that any spare cash in their account is put to work. This approach helps foster a long-term investing mindset and can lead to better investment outcomes over time. Secure investing. Investing with InvestEngine means entrusting your money to a secure and safe platform. The company prioritizes the security and privacy of user data, employing data encryption, and offering options for data deletion. This commitment to security provides peace of mind for investors, knowing that their financial information is protected. Diversified investments. InvestEngine offers access to over 660 ETFs from reputable providers like Vanguard and iShares. This diverse range of investment options allows users to create well-diversified portfolios and invest in various markets, regions, and asset classes. By spreading their investments across different sectors and geographies, investors can potentially reduce risk and enhance their long-term returns. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. InvestEngine focuses exclusively on exchange-traded funds or ETFs, which may limit the investment options for users seeking to invest in individual company stocks or other investment vehicles. This exclusivity can be a drawback for investors who prefer to diversify their portfolios across different asset classes or sectors. InvestEngine lacks tiered services tailored for high-net-worth investors. This means that clients with substantial investment portfolios may find the absence of premium services or differentiated offerings a drawback, particularly if they require more advanced features or personalized investment advice. InvestEngine does not currently support lifetime ISAs or self-invested pension pots, which may impact users with specific tax-efficient savings goals. Additionally, the platform does not offer junior ISA accounts for saving on behalf of children or lifetime ISAs for individuals saving for their first home with a government bonus, further limiting the choice for users with specific savings goals. By choosing InvestEngine, you're taking control of your financial future with a platform that offers commission-free ETF investing, expert guidance, and a secure environment. With its innovative tools and low fees, InvestEngine is the perfect choice for anyone looking to grow their wealth with ease and confidence. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.